Hello, this is Alicia Benson, and this recording is for EDOL 707, and it's my video to talk about leading from the heart. The book Lead from the Heart by Mark Crowley discusses several elements that are important for organizations to consider. One of the things that he talked about is that employees need to have meaningful work, work that they feel that impacts the world, that no competition should be involved, that people should have an opportunity to be challenged, but that competition is not required. Psychological safety, he said, is the key, that employees have to be allowed to be able to speak their truth. Clear goals need to be established. And some of the practices that he said that should take place in organizations is hiring people with heart, building a highly engaged team, hire people that are heart to heart, connect with them on a personal level, empower the heart, maximize employee potential by giving them challenging and meaningful assignments, and inspire the heart, value and honor accomplishments, even small successes, because the things that get rewarded and measured are the things that employees will reproduce. The cons to this view for the case against leading from the heart, I would say some resistant forces, even in my own organization, would be others believing that leading from the heart involves touchy-feely conversations, or it's about giving hugs. They may believe that individuals in the organization will not be held accountable to company goals and standards. The position is that you can never say no, or that you have to tiptoe around critical conversations for fear that someone wouldn't like it or feel good about the conversation. The perception is that when Mark Crowley talks about psychological safety, what he really means is that you can only give people what they want or tell them what they want to hear, and that this will lead to their psychological safety. In addition, the perception is that no meaningful work will be accomplished and employees are not held accountable to meeting specific goals. With regard to my transformational change project, at my site, there currently are all parent voices are not included. We currently have no African American parent group, and their voices are not included on my site. And so my transformational change project is to create and include parent voice on campus and in decision making. Some of the specific changes that I will make is to provide professional development for my staff to build capacity in them about African American culture, and also to inform them and discuss barriers that African American parents face that block participation in their children's education. Negative stereotypes have influenced the mindsets of many staff on my campus and have caused them to discredit African American parents and the value that they bring to the school process for their children. Also, I will take innovative and intentional steps with my change leadership team to influence African American parents to participate in school decision making. I will try new methods to reduce barriers to participation, like setting, method, and a general sense of apathy that parents experience. I will think outside the box and solicit participation off-site, like at churches, because the research shows that African American parents feel comfortable and safe at churches, and that this might be a setting that they will participate in. I will also use technology and other methods to engage parents in school happenings and solicit their input, like podcasts and virtual meetings. I will also use school data to convince parents that student achievement is suffering because their students need their support to reduce apathy and to share with parents the value that they bring. Currently, the African American students on my campus score lower than even the English language learner student population. And I'll share that information with parents and discuss some reasons why we think that might be the case. The method that I use in my leadership style is aligned with the methods in Leading from the Heart by Mark Crowley. because I try to create environments where employees feel psychologically safe and are free to speak their truth. Staff are able to be creative and innovative to meet specific targets and goals. Thank you for listening.